If you've got big piles of yard debris to move but don't have a tractor or any other expensive equipment, stick around. I'm going to show you how you can haul huge loads without buying a big trailer. All you need is something like a four-wheeler and this one inexpensive item. So this is my Gorilla cart hooked up to the four-wheeler. It holds about 6 cubic feet. It works, but for big jobs it means a lot of trips. Here it is loaded up. Doesn't take long to fill, which is fine unless you have a mountain of this stuff to move. And then it's dump, go back, load again, over and over. I got tired of that pretty quick. That's when I started using this, a Bagster dumpster bag. Normally, you fill it for a waste company to pick up, but it's strong, flexible, and perfect for hauling stuff like pine straw around the yard. You can grab one online or at a home improvement store for about $30 to $35. I'll put a link in the description. It's available on Amazon and it's way cheaper than buying a big trailer. I just spread it out on the ground and fill it up. No lifting over the sides like with a cart, and here's the big difference. My Gorilla cart is great. It holds about 6 cubic feet. A Bagster holds about 3 cubic yards. That's 81 cubic feet. So I can move more in one trip than I could in 13 cart loads. And it's tough. The Bagster is rated to hold up to 3,300 pounds. The best part, it's reusable over and over. It's basically built like a super strong tarp with heavy-duty handles. I just loop the straps over the towing ball and tighten them down a little bit. Easy. And off we go. One big load instead of a whole afternoon of trips. When I get where I'm going, I just pull the bag open and dump it. Done. It's not just for pine straw though. Here's a big horse trough. Awkward to carry in a cart, but it fits right in here. Same setup, straps around the towing ball, snug and ready to go. So yeah, for me, this Bagster is basically a big fold-up trailer. Works for bulky stuff, works for yard debris, and when I'm done, it folds up and disappears until next time.